Hello, good afternoon. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today we want about to know how we can download applications in the laptop and even how to install the applications on laptop. So mostly when you have your thing like here, your laptop is apparently on this thing, you just come to the your Google Chrome. When you come to the Google Chrome, comes here, you see Android applications and so on, and the Play Store and so on, Android applications. You see that if you need the Android applications, you can easily access it here. Though you can also come here and access it from here. When you can access it from here, it comes here. You see the Play Store acts like a Play Store. When you come here, it will be telling you whatever you need. Here is mostly in games, so that you can even change it and put it under applications. So under applications, it will bring you here. You will see the WhatsApp, the TikTok, the Xender, the Word, everything. Have everything like that. So the Zenda, the My Airtel, the My Word, these are applications. The TikTok and so on, the Facebook, the Instagram. So upon need of anything to, you can come here and you click on it. When you click on it, they will bring you application here. Here it is 1B. You understand, to download this, download and this. And here if you want to install, you have to install it from here. Understand? Just tap on it and install it. You understand? For me, this one I've already downloaded it, so I need just to and so on. I've been using it and so on. Still, you can come to if you want to be listening to music and so on. You understand? I have it here. You can say, come here, and you start. Understand? They will ask you Samsung SMG this last used in November, this 2025. Understand? Specify this Samsung. This is my Samsung. What is connected to, and you can even come here and say install it. So they're asking me to install. They're asking me for the entire password to continue. This is my because I'm accessing my email. Use this to access it. So it is I put everything like my password like I put my password to allow the access and download the thing. Understand? The password that I'm saying is not doing it well. Not by doing it. It's wrong. I don't know what is wrong with the password. And that is my password. So upon putting in the password, you do everything here will be done and everything will be alright. So when here after here try another way and try another way this application, choose how to want to sign in, use your passkey, use your password, try another way, you can put everything. But I want to go in that because I have it on my phone and something else. So I don't think I can access it on my YouTube or what, everything, the Google and everything, but it isn't. So just all about the application. What I wanted to share with you is application. How can you access the applications and everything so that you can download whatever you feel like downloading. Understand? Yes. Now it comes here, application will be having and so on everywhere and anywhere. Understand? Yeah, and everything like that. So thanks. That is how to show you how you can access the applications and how you can download them. Because you may have problems. So here we are told that I have showed you that even here you can easily access it other than doing the other side. You can also access here and come to applications. And you come here. Understand? Yeah. And you do it. The applications are here. You do if you want a TikTok, you come here. Yeah, install more device. This shows because I'm using my email, which is I'm using my Google account, which is already on my device. So on my phone, so it is using. That is why they ask me to use on that to install it on multiple devices, and I accept about that. So that's automatically what I wanted to share with you. Thanks.